Welcome to this video of the Facebook Group Domination Masterclass. My name is Leon Chaudhry, and in this video I would like to show you how you can introduce yourself to the course community. Now, first of all, why do I even want you to introduce yourself to the course community? Well, the very simple reason is I want to have an international community of creators and entrepreneurs. So I really would like you guys to interact with each other, to build businesses with each other, and to help each other create and sell. So first of all, what exactly do you have to do in order to introduce yourself to the course community? Well, please go to Dashboard, which is in the right top corner. It's a button, and then go into the dashboard and click on Q&A. That is the so-called Udemy Q&A section. So whenever I'm referring to Q&A section, this is the place that I mean. So please introduce yourself in that field that are now going to pop up when you click on Q&A. Please tell me, where are you from and why are you taking this course? That's it. Not more, not less. That is also the place where you can ask me a question at any given time. But for now, please go into the Udemy Q&A section by clicking in the right top corner on Go to Dashboard, and then tell me, where are you from and why are you taking this course? Thank you so much, and we'll see each other in the next video.